In this video I will show you how to make this braided crochet headband. That it's super quick and easy to make, and it will be perfect accessory for your winter outfits. To make this crochet headband you will need super fine yarn, I use acrylic one, 3mm crochet hook, some scissors, yarn needle and a headband. I use a plastic one. It has 1 inch, so 2.5 centimeters of width, and you can just use some old one that you have at home. Let's get started. This headband is made with 4 crochet stripes. 3 of them we will use to make a braid and the 4th one to cover this bottom part. So we will start making a chain. The length of our chain will be the length of all the headband plus some 1 inch, so 2.5 centimeters of additional length. Make a slip knot and start making a chain. It's not necessary that you count the stitches, just remember about the final size of your chain. In my case I chained 106, so as you can see it covers my headband and there's a little bit more. Remember to not stretch it when you measure it. When you are happy with the size of your chain, just chain 1 more and make single crochet to the end of the round. I'm making my last single crochet. Okay, chain 1, turn your work, and again make single crochet to the end of this round. You will have to make as many rounds to cover the width of your headband. In my case it will be 8 rows. I've just finished the 8th row of my stripe. It looks like this. Make 2 more in the same size. These 3 we will use to make a braid, and also make 1 more, but a little bit shorter, just to cover our headband all over from the bottom. Take your 3 longer stripes, put them like this, and sew this part all together using just 1 of these tails. Weave in the ends and just make a braid. And in the end, again, sew these 3 parts here together. After sewing, just weave in the ends, and it's time to assemble our headband. Now we will just sew both crochet parts together. So this 4th stripe we will put from the bottom of our headband, and the bright one from the top, like this. It will be easier for you to sew it if you use some clips to put it here. Now take a yarn needle and a long thread and just sew these two parts together all over. This side is ready, so now it's time to make the opposite one. You can use more clips to help yourself to finish sewing this headband. Now it's just time to hide all these ends, and our headband is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.